What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to draw the loose structure for H2CO. So I start with total valence electrons. For hydrogen we have 2 times 1, for carbon we have 4, and for oxygen we have 6. So 6 plus 4 plus 2 is going to be 12. So we have 12 valence electrons. Then we have carbon as a central atom, hydrogen and hydrogen here, and then we have oxygen here. So then we have hydrogen and oxygen. We have 2, 4, 6, and if we have one in here, one in here, one in here, as you see here, the duet rule for hydrogen is valid, but for carbon here we have 6, 2, 4, 6, so we don't have octet rule here. And for oxygen, same thing, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need to have one more bond here, because now carbon has 4 valence electrons, so we have 4 of them in here, and now we have octet rule, 2, 4, 6, 8. So octet rule we have for carbon. What about for oxygen? 2, 4, 6, 8. So that's gonna be the double bond between C and O, as you see here. So that's the loose structure. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.